Bet you didn't know this. You have about 7 seconds to make a first impression, and your smile is a big part of the equation. Dr. John Gordon from Gordon Dental is here to tell us what goes into a great smile makeover. Good morning.
Good morning, Lisa.
We are talking about going from an ordinary smile to an extraordinary smile, and there is a difference.
There is a difference. Before I answer that question, let me ask you a question, Lisa. A couple weeks ago, I had the thought, how many times per day does the normal person smile? Okay. Let me ask you, how many times a day you think the normal adult person smiles?
I'm going to guess about 5.
About 5, okay. Now, newborns and going into children, how many times do you think a child smiles?
Oh, much more.
Okay, what would be your guess?
10 to 20.
Okay. What was amazing to me is I found out that the normal child smiles approximately 400 times per day.
Get out.
Yeah.
400.
400. The normal adult smiles on the average of 20.
Okay.
So my next thought and question was, what happened? What happened between childhood and adulthood? And
work.
Exactly. Ordinary life sets in, and we submit to that process, and so our smiling becomes ordinary. Every day in my practice, I have the opportunity to visit with people about their smiles. They come in for a consultation, and they want to take their smile from that ordinary to what they in their mind visualize as extraordinary. So it's my job and responsibility is to help them start to visualize that extraordinary smile that will take them into the part of life that they really want to start to excel in.
And I love that you asked during that consultation, would you like more of a Hollywood smile or a natural smile? I'm intrigued by this Hollywood smile.
Yeah. The Hollywood smile is kind of that perfect smile that you see on someone, where everything is just
gorgeous,
perfect and gorgeous. Yeah. Then you have the natural smile where there's more angle and contour. You can see on the front surface of the tooth where there's little indentations and swirls. And so the natural smile is more what nature gave us when the tooth was born. Then a lot of patients want the Hollywood smile, they want the natural smile, and then some want a blend.
Now, you are an artist, and you have quite an elaborate design process. I mean, you take it home with you.
I do.
You live it.
I do.
Talk about what goes into it.
I live it and love it.
You do, yeah.
I have my own little design art office studio at home. So I take the cases home, and this is a picture of that, my workbench. And I look at the features that the patient has shared with me that they want to incorporate into their smile. And then we just start to craft it. And it takes me on the average of about 4 to 5 to 6 hours to design a smile on their study models.
Talk about the golden proportion.
Yeah, the golden proportion is really a neat concept. Anytime you see anything in nature that looks absolutely beautiful, that you can't take your eye off of, our eyes are drawn to beauty. And anytime you see beauty, there is a golden proportion ratio associated with that. It's a mathematical formula. And so when a patient comes to me and says, John, I want the ultimate in a beautiful smile, I incorporate that mathematical relationship to their teeth as we're designing each tooth. And as that one tooth relates with the next tooth and then the next one, we have that golden proportion ratio. Going back to the thought that when we see something beautiful, we can't take our eyes off of it. That's the extraordinary that people are wanting when they come in to see us, that extraordinary, beautiful smile that captures people's eyes.
And you see a difference in your patient's happiness level.
Oh, absolutely. It's amazing what we see with people. And that's the fun part of doing this kind of dentistry for people.
You just feel so much better. Dr. Gordon, thank you. And Dr. Gordon and his team can help you love your smile. Call him today at 816-505-2222. You can also get more information online at drjohngordon.com.